In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Microsoft Edge from Windows in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. First of all, if you want to delete Microsoft, make sure your another browser is installed in your PC or laptop. Then from desktop, click on search and type settings and open it. Now from left side, click on apps. Then click on default apps. Here in the search bar, type your browser name that you have other than Microsoft Edge and then click on it. Now here click on all these files manually and select your browser. I have Chrome browser, so I have selected Google Chrome. Then click on set default. Repeat this step for all these files. After this, close it and from your desktop open any of the browser and search for Voice Uninstaller and hit enter. Now open Voice Cleaner website. Here click on free download. After a few moments, download pop-up will appear. Click on the file you have just downloaded, then click on install and then click on finish. Now you will be in Voice Program Uninstaller. Here in the search bar, type Microsoft Edge. Then just click on it and then click on force uninstall. Then click on yes and then click on remove. Now click on OK. Now from left side, click on Microsoft Edge. After clicking on it, any file appear. Just uninstall that file. Then again from left side, click on Internet Explorer and then if any file appear, just uninstall that file too. Then close it and restart your PC. So that's how you can delete Microsoft Edge from Windows in just few easy steps.